Calling it the crime wave
Guys,
of the century.
listen!
Earlier today, Green Ninja Lloyd Garmadon was caught on tape robbing the city bank.
Whoa! That looks like... me!
And that's not all. At Mega Monster Amusement Park, Zane was on a rampage of vandalism and mayhem.
Hey, wait! My memory has no recollection of that.
Someone's pretending to be us!
But why?
And how? I am ashamed I ever wore their underwear. T-shirts.
Any comment about your son's offenses?
Jay would never do this. And if he did, he had good reason. I hope.
You hope? It wasn't me, Dad! It wasn't me!
You believe them? They destroy our village, act like they saved the place, and then go around doing as they please.
Yeah, you're right. Ninja. Huh. Hate 'em. Maybe now's a good time to leave.
The ninja are at large. They are armed and dangerous, and they have legs. If you see them, do not approach. Call local law enforcement so that we can apprehend.
Hello, local law enforcement? We are the...
Zane, what are you doing?
I am programmed to obey the law. Not telling them our location would be a direct violation.
Aren't you?
No, we're not the ninja. We're that other group with an android, a ghost, a girl.
6 on 6. At least it's an even number.
We're not gonna fight them. Right now, it's us who look like the bad guys.
How are we supposed to defend ourselves? Witty banter?
Statistically speaking, your witty banter tends to only get us into more trouble.
I liked it better when they were fans.